Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Neat Sanjeevani. This is Ritik Chabda here, and we will cover today NCRT exemplar problems of chapter photosynthesis in plants. So, guys, let's start the topic. Yes, question number one is yes, which metal ion is a constituent of chlorophyll? And your time starts now. Yes, your time's up. So you all know formula of chlorophyll is C55H72O5N4Mg. So first ka C part is the correct answer. Moving on to next question. Question number 2 is which pigment acts directly to convert light energy to chemical energy? And your time starts now. Yes, you all know chlorophyll is the only major pigment which convert directly light energy to chemical energy, and other chlorophyll B, xanthophyll, and carotenoids, they are accessory pigments. They don't directly convert light energy to chemical energy. So moving on to next question. Question number 3 is which range of wavelength is called photosynthetically active radiation? And your time starts now. Yes, your time's up. So you all know photosynthetically active radiations are of range 400 to 700 nanometers. So third ka C part is the correct answer. Question number 4 is which light range is most effective in photosynthesis? And your time starts now. Yes, your time's up. You all know red color light range is the most effective in photosynthesis and violet is least effective. So fourth ka C part is the correct answer. Question number 5. Chemosynthetic bacteria obtain energy from, and your time starts now. Yes, you all know chemosynthetic bacteria obtain energy from inorganic chemicals. So fifth ka D part is the correct answer. Question number 6 is energy required for ATP synthesis in PS2 comes from, and your time starts now. Yes, your time's up. So you all know energy required for ATP synthesis in PS2 comes from proton gradient, क्योंकि वाटर का जब डिसोसिएशन होता है तो स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ वाटर होता है तो वहाँ पर से फिर H पॉजिटिव एक्यूमुलेट हो जाते हैं तो प्रोटोन ग्रेडियंट क्रिएट हो जाता है जिस वजह से ATP सिंथेसिस होता है इसमें PS2 में. So sixth का part is the correct answer. Moving on to question number 7. During light reaction in photosynthesis, the following are formed, and your time starts now. यस, ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस और लाइट रिएक्शन के टाइम क्या बनता है एटीपी, हाइड्रोजन डोनर यानी कि NADH2 एंड O2. तो सेवंथ का सी पार्ट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 इज डार्क रिएक्शन इन फोटोसिंथेसिस कॉल्ड सो बिकॉज, एंड योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. यस, यू ऑल नो डार्क रिएक्शन जो फोटोसिंथेसिस में होती है वो इसलिए होती है क्योंकि उसको डायरेक्टली लाइट की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, वो लाइट रिएक्शन के प्रोडक्ट्स पे डिपेंड करती है. सो इट कैन अकर इन डार्क ऑल्सो. दिस इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन बिकॉज इट डज नॉट डिपेंड ऑन लाइट एनर्जी. जी नहीं, इट कैन नॉट अकर ड्यूरिंग डे लाइट, इट अकर्स मोर रैपिडली एट नाइट. ये सब ऑप्शंस रिलेटिव नहीं है, ज़्यादा रिलेटिव फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है. सो इट कैन अकर इन डार्क ऑल्सो. दिस इज़ वाई इट्स कॉल्ड. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 इज PAP इज प्राइमरी CO2 acceptor in, and your time starts now. Yes, PEP is primary यानी कि PEP यानी कि phosphoenol pyruvate is primary CO2 acceptor in C4 plants. You all know. Question number 10. Splitting of water is associated with, and your time starts now. Yes, splitting of water is associated with lumen of thylakoid, photosystem 1 and 2, inner surface of thylakoid membrane में होती है splitting of water. So 10th का D option is the correct. Question number 11th is the correct sequence of flow of electrons in the light reaction is, and your time starts now. यस, करेक्ट सीक्वेंस लाइट रिएक्शन में सबसे पहले PS2 आएगा और किसी ऑप्शन में नहीं है, ऑप्शन नंबर ए में ही है. सो फिर भी हम एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं. PS2 देन प्लास्टोकिनॉन देन साइटोक्रोम्स PS1 फ्रेडॉक्सिन. यस, आप सबने पढ़ी होगी लाइट रिएक्शन. सो 11th का ये पार्ट इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सो द एंजाइम दैट इज नॉट फाउंड इन C3 प्लांट इज, एंड योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. यस, योर टाइम सब. C3 प्लांट में PEP कार्बोक्सिलेज नहीं होता है, तो 12th का B part is the correct answer. Question number 13 is the reaction that is responsible for the primary fixation of CO2 is catalyzed by, and your time starts now. Yes, the reaction that is responsible for primary fixation of CO2 is catalyzed by both RUBP carboxylase and PEP carboxylase. So 13C part. And now 14 question, when CO2 is added to PEP phosphoenol pyruvate, the first stable product synthesized is, and your time starts now. Yes, oxaloacetate is the first stable product that is synthesized in C4 cycle when CO2 is added to phosphoenol pyruvate. So these were the questions of chapter photosynthesis in higher plants from NCERT exemplar for today. So we will meet tomorrow with the questions of chapter respiration in plants. So guys, keep studying, keep practicing, stay home, stay safe, and thank you very much for watching the video. Okay, bye bye.